Hey, what's up YouTube? So you're trying to do this fade right here, but you're not really sure how to go about it, or you need some type of guidance. This is the video for you. It's a quick one too, but it's gonna get straight to the point. So let's jump straight into it. The first thing you're gonna want to do is grab your trimmer, create that initial line that's gonna define the type of fade that you're gonna give your client. So make sure it's leveled and it's clean all the way around as well too, because you're gonna want to make sure that your shaver could come back and pick it up and not struggle either. So clean it up real well, and once you do, it's gonna make it pop. My next step is grabbing your clipper, opening up the lever, and just create this guideline that's about 1 inch apart from the trimmer, and just go all the way around and make sure it's clean so that you don't have to come back and clean as much when you're getting rid of the in-between lines. And this one is the number 1 and it's open, and we're gonna do the same thing, just go around and 1 inch across. The number 2, we're gonna have this one closed though, okay? And then we're gonna do the same thing, just 1 inch. So those are gonna be pretty much the 3 steps that we're gonna create, and then after that we're gonna fade in between. This is the 1.5, and we're gonna fade in the guidelines together. Just make sure that everything's pretty clean, so you don't have to go back and forth and trying to clean and stuff like that. This is the 1.5 guard, and you really start to see the fade once you start to blend this one in. And you initially just want to start pushing the shadows together pretty tight and have the definition of the fade. Coming in with masters, I have this one 0 gap for sure. I forgot to add the trimmer section of this tutorial, but I did hit it a little bit with the trimmer, separating the shaver into the open clipper part of it. So once you do that, then you just like take down the weight with the thinning shears, or you could just use the regular shears, whichever works best for you. So there you have it. This one's a quick one, and I really hope that it helps some of you guys out there, you know, and appreciate you for watching.